Steve again here at Auto Hauler Supply, and I wanted to show you the ramps. Check these ramps out, man. We've been waiting for these things for, it seems like forever. These are our 94-inch car hauling ramps. This is from the new supplier. These guys, it's not 5,000 pound per axle. It's not 7,000 pound per axle, but 10,000 pounds per axle. So they're using some really heavy gauge aluminum on these things. They're heavy. They're 49 pounds a piece. Well, they're not as heavy as steel, but they are. These are really rugged. And we got the standard hook top end here. You can kind of come in close there and see that. That's going to go into your U channel on the back of your rig there. And then Patrick, if you kind of come in here, you can see the what we call the taper foot or the knife cut foot. That's where you get a nice easy load angle here. These are 94 inches long by 15 by 3 1/8 inch thick. They weigh 49 pounds, and we got them right now $8.25 a pair. And you know, hopefully they'll last more than a month. It's with the aluminum shortages and the labor shortages and all the COVID crap. It's just been really hard getting ramps, but we do have them now. So we're at 2671 Freewood Drive in Dallas. For more information, you can call us 866-855-4285. You can visit us online at autohaulersupply.com.